Hello children, welcome to grammar classes. Today we were going to teach types of dependent clause. Firstly, how many types of dependent clause? And dependent clause is also known as subordinate clause. In previous video we discussed and is about the types of clause. How many types of clause? There are two types of clause, dependent clause and independent clause. Independent clause is also known as main clause and dependent clause is known as subordinate clause. So in this video we discuss about how many types of dependent clause. There are three types of subordinate clause or dependent clause: noun clause, adjective clause and verb clause. So first we discuss noun clause. What is a noun clause? Noun clause is a group of words. It has a subject and verb. And noun clause acts as a noun in a sentence. For example, I fear that I will fail. Here in this sentence, that I will fail is a noun clause. How we can say it a noun clause? Because it has a group of words. It has a group of words? Yes. It has a group of words and it has a subject and verb? Yes. It has a subject. Here I is a subject. I is a subject and fail is a verb. So it has a subject verb combination. And in this sentence, that I will fail is a noun clause. So whole clause is acting as a object of the word fear. It means here noun clause is act as a object of word fear, because here noun clause is used as a, or you can say act as a object of the word fear. So it is a noun clause. Look at another example. That you have come pleases me. Here that you have come is a noun clause. Here that you have come is a noun clause and you is a subject, come is a verb. But here noun clause is act as a subject of the word pleases. Basically this clauses does the work of noun. So it is a noun clause. Come on the second, adjective clause. What is a adjective clause? Adjective clause is also a group of words. It has a subject and verb combination. And adjective clause act as an objective, a describing noun. As you know that adjective, what is the adjective? Adjective is a describing word which is describe the noun. So here adjective clause which is act as a adjective. For example, the umbrella which has a broken handle is mine. Here which has a broken handle is a adjective clause. Which has a broken handle is a adjective clause, and this is the describing the word umbrella. Adjective clause which has a broken handle, which have the subject handle and the word broken, and it is describe the word umbrella. So here the describing noun is umbrella. Look at the another example. He met a girl whose eyes were blue. Here whose eyes were blue is a adjective clause and eyes is a subject, blue is a verb, and it describe the word girl. Here the noun and a describing noun is a girl and adjective clause describe the noun girl. So it is a adjective clause. Come on the third, adverb clause. What is the adverb clause? Adverb clause is a group of words and it also have a subject verb of its own, means it also have subject and verb combination. And adverb clause acts as an adverb in a sentence. And as you know that an adverb is modified verb, adjective and verb. For example, they rested when the evening came. Here, when the evening came. When the evening came is a adverb clause and evening is a subject, came is a verb, and it is describe the word rested. It means the describing word is rested. Rested is describing the adverb clause. So we discuss about the clause and types of clause and how many types of the dependent clause. So what is the clause? Clause is a group of words that have subject verb combination and it has a complete meaning by itself. Types of clause: dependent clause and independent clause. Independent clause is also known as the main clause and dependent clause is also known as the subordinate clause. And types of the dependent clause: there are three types of dependent clause: noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. Noun clause act as a noun, adjective clause act as a adjective, adverb clause act as an adverb. That's all. Thank you for watching video.